Hi! Ang pag-aaralan natin ngayon ay tungkol naman sa an word family. So, CVC pa rin tayo. Short A, sounds A, nandun pa rin tayo. So, yung first word natin is this. This is okay, starts with B. No, ang sounds ng B ay B. Okay, nahulaan na kung ano ito. Ito ay isang word na so, ban. So, B plus an, a, n, that's an, plus the sound of B, which is B. So, ban. So, ban. So, that is ban. Okay. Next is this one. Letter C. Sounds and plus our family word an. So, an plus k, so that is can. Can. Okay, can. Next is this image. So this is starts with letter F and sorry, erase. Okay, starts with letter F. Pegang F. Plus our A. Okay, so A plus N, so an, and F, the sounds of F is, so this is, it reads as fan, fan, pamaypay. Okay, next is this. So this starts with letter P and plus our an. Shall I skip now? So n, an, plus the sound of P. So pan. So that's pan. Pan. Okay, kawali. Next is this. So ito naman starts with letter M. A. Masyadong malaki ang image natin. Masyadong tayo masikip sa pagsusulat. And our N. So, N, so an, plus the sound of M, which is so it reads as man, man. Okay, lalaki. Next is S, starts with letter R. Our A and our N. So N, sound of R is R, R. So run. So that's run, run. Okay, takbo. Next is, this is, oh, sorry. So this is, starts with letter, sorry, T plus our A and our N. So A, N, and plus the sound of T. Tss, 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 tss. So that's tan. Tan. So ano ba yung tan? Kapag summer, nagbibili tayo sa mga beaches, di ba? So, yung color natin nagiging tan or nagiging kayumanggi. Hindi siya brown, kayumanggi. Okay? Yun ang color natin, mga Pilipino. Tan, kayumanggi. Next, our last image is this. So, ito it starts with letter V. Ang pangit. Wait lang. Okay, sorry. I-move natin ng konti. Okay? So, this is V plus our A and our N. So, A, N, so, an, plus the sound of V. What is the sound of V? It sounds V. Okay, so it reads now as van. Van. Okay? Van. Okay, so yun lang. Sana ay nakatulong.